How to stop apps from wiggling on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen. As you can see, the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. You can now hold and move the apps and place it anywhere you like on your home screen. You can change their positions along with the pages that they're on. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. The apps will now stop wiggling, as you can see. Following these steps, you can easily stop apps from wiggling on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.